rare brain disease. Gonna use cue cards, folks. Taking 1.5 grams of FICO today already just to be here with you. So I hope you can bear with me. Welcome. Hello, fellow freedom fighters. My name is Janice Patten. I have idiopathic intracranial hypertension. I have been successfully treating this rare brain disease by using large amounts of full extract cannabis oil or FICO. I will not be delivering a speech today. It is more like an impassioned plea for help. First, I would like to pay homage to those people that have fought so hard for so long to get cannabis where it is today. Today, I want to talk about the importance of education and awareness. Showing up to events like this helps show community support and unity. It also shows that we are peaceful and organized people. To be aware means taking advantage of times you can talk about your positive experiences with cannabis to your doctors and nurses. Very important there, folks. Or even government officials. Next, I want to talk about compassion and human suffering. There are so many average, everyday people just like you and me that have serious illnesses. These people deserve a quality of life the same as everyone else. We need to show the people who make the laws in this country that we care about the suffering of others, and write them an email or even phone call to your state or federal representative reminding them that people are in need of this medicine and we want research for cannabis now. Thank you. We have done such great work so far, and now we need to press for the medical research to be done. Today I want to talk about human rights and the fact that we are all created equal. I want to talk about our right to choose what medicine works best for us. And I'm not saying all pharmaceuticals are bad or harmful. I'm just saying I should have the same right to choose natural grown and made medicine as everybody else. I want to talk about the average everyday person just trying to get by day. And I want to talk about the average person living with a serious illness in a non-legal state trying to make it day by day. I want to talk about community that works together to change laws and help each other out when we can, to show kindness and respect for each other. I'm here as a reminder that there are people with certain illnesses that have no choice as to what medicine works for them. Cannabis, as it turns out, is the only thing known to man that successfully treats the rare brain disease I have. I don't have a choice. And to be judged for it, not human. Tell as many people as you can that cannabis is viable and important medicine. Also, vote for pro-cannabis choices and contact your state and federal representatives and push them for federal legalization and funding for research using cannabis. Let's make this our best march ever. Thank you all for supporting this amazing plant. And we really don't need a miracle here. What we need is human understanding and compassion to show up and light the way to a better tomorrow. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate every one of you for supporting the plant. Thank you.